Actually, sir, what we have agreed, particularly whatever the discussion has been made in front of the DC last year, we have agreed this will be followed. Rest other thing, what they are telling about the resolution, etc., which we have not agreed, what we will pass the message to our management, and after that this will be communicated. They are telling us that 1 week time has been given to us. Anyway, whatever the thing has been come, we shall inform to the management and we will communicate to them.
The GHTOA, the Truck Owners Association, had alleged that you are not complying with the decision that was taken during a meeting between the truck owners and the state government that was held last year when it comes to the fares.
No, sir. Whatever the association, whatever the discussion has been made, whatever the notification issued by government of Meghalaya, all the cement agencies are implementing. This has also been discussed very clearly. Whatever the cement, etc., has been loaded from Meghalaya and unloaded to Meghalaya, the rate has been fixed. This is not the other thing, the key that other rate will be given.
So, the demand right now is that the rate, even to Assam, the rate till up to the border of Meghalaya, Assam, it should be the 7 rupees.
Sir, principally there was no such type of agreement of the notification of the rates, etc. This is the business. They are also doing business, we are also doing business. But as because the government of Meghalaya has made some notification, particularly for the Meghalaya, which we have agreed to follow.
In the shifting of the godowns, there was again an agreement last year that the godowns will be situated within Bernihat or within Meghalaya, the border of Meghalaya, and they have alleged that now the godowns have been shifted to Assam side. So can you?
No, sir, this has not been shifted. Previously, our godown in Meghalaya also as well as in Assam also, where the demand is more particular for the selling of the product. Where then as for the marketing people, they are dispatching there.
So that means you have not shifted the.
No, sir, we have not shifted. We wins all our cement association members.